2026 GMC Canyon. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.